Hey guys, it's your girl Juliet. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just thought I'd give you a little plant tour, let you guys see what I have, what I currently have, because I actually have a plant itch that I want to scratch really bad. I'm actually trying to grow a mini jungle in my home. So I'm looking to maybe purchase some more, but I want to show you what I have now so that you guys could kind of see the progression of the plants that I have in my home and just take this journey with me. Um, but here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay guys, so this is my current setup. This is my view from the couch. So let's start over here. In this corner, I have my Dracaena called Sunny. His name's Sunny. And he's actually one of my first plants that I got. So technically, he is Sunny the second because the first Sunny that I got kind of died. I don't know, his leaves started to fall off and I'm not too sure what the issue was. At that point, I wasn't really researching my plants before, actually caring for them, but I watered him often and eventually all the leaves fell off and that was it for that. But this Sunny is doing very well. I actually repotted him about a month ago and he's doing well. This is Pepper and she's my Peperomia red edge and she is beautiful. I got her I think about 3 weeks 3 weeks ago. And she's doing well. I repotted her as well. And she's growing very nicely. But she's so pretty. And I'm actually propagating her. There was a piece that I cut off the side while I was repotting. Only because it was kind of sticking out weirdly. I think I cut it off of this end right here, but I'll show you that shortly. Here's another set of plants. These ones I like to keep by the window, but I tend to move them around often. Okay, so here is my spider plant. Now, this one, her name is Graziella, and poor Graziella gets attacked by a couple members of my family every now and then. My son gets at the leaves sometimes, and my cat, Snow, he gets at the leaves sometimes. So she's taking a beating, but she's fighting through. I cut off several of her leaves just to kind of prune and keep her looking neat. But she's growing nicely. I got her along with my Peperomia. And she's been repotted as well, and she's doing great. Now, y'all know, I'm blanking. Okay, my philodendron. Y'all see me repot this one. And as I mentioned, he's doing great as well. Plenty of new leaves, plenty of new growth. All right. Then over here I have my pothos. looking beautiful, growing a vine here, growing some big leaves as well too. Okay, so her name is, or no, it's gonna be his name. His name is Artois. Why? Because I purchased him along with my snake plant over here. Her name is Stella. So Stella Artois. Stella Artois. They go together. All right, so they were purchased maybe like 3 months ago, and they're doing so well. All right, so this is my Sansevieria Stella. I haven't repotted her yet, but she's growing slowly, I think, but her leaves are, I don't know. This particular leaf is about 13 inches tall. The rest of them, I don't know. I think this one's growing a little bit, but this one's kind of just chilling. But she's doing well. I'll repot her maybe, I don't know, within the year for sure, but not yet because she's not root bound yet. All right, moving on to my other Dracaena. This is a Hawaiian Sunshine, and she's one of my oldest plants as well. Had her almost a year. Called her Ella. So she's done well. I haven't repotted her yet either. Not root bound yet, but she's pretty. Okay, so these twins here, they're new to the family. About a week and a half old. Sansevieria, Hanai, I believe they're called, but they don't get too big. They're only supposed to get maximum 12 inch, but most of them are usually around, well, grow to about 6 to 8 inches. But that's okay, they're cute. They're really cute. I need to pick up some cacti soil so that I could repot them. I usually make a mix of my own, so I'm excited. But since I got them, been watering them, watered it yesterday actually. I let them get pretty dry before I water, but they're doing well and they've grown actually since I purchased them. Cute, right? Okay, so now I'm just propagating some plants over here. So this is the peperomia I told y'all about that I'm propagating. And for the first couple of weeks, nothing happened, but eventually, and y'all can see, it's growing some roots. I'm so excited. So excited, but I change the water at least once a week. And I've put fertilizer in there a couple of times. And it's growing nicely. So I can't wait for the roots to get longer so I can repot it. Now these guys here, so I went on a quick walk and I found these in the park. So I took a couple of branches and I put them in water, and it's been like this for maybe a week. Nothing's happened yet, but I'm keeping an eye out for it. So this is actually an English ivy. I think it's called Hedera helix, but it's so pretty. Look at the variegation. There's barely any here on these leaves, but the mother plant that I took it from was so nice. I'm looking forward to seeing some roots on this one. All right, guys, so that's it for now. Now there's that section over there. So this is my fake plant station. Why? Because I feel that it's not an area that gets a lot of sun, of natural light. So this is where I kind of have my fake plants. I'd like to have some real plants here as well soon when I get my makeover started. I'm gonna have to get some grow lights and set that up, but this area has my fake plants and that's okay. It looks good. Looks good, and it'll look better when I get some real plants in here. All right, but you guys stay tuned. I have some makeovers coming, maybe within the next few months or so. I'll be redoing my living room area, and as I said, I'll be creating my mini jungle. Join me on that journey. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye.